Are you tired of seeing people you no longer interact with on your Cash App favorites list? In this quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove someone from your Cash App favorites step by step so your app stays clean and organized. First, open the Cash App on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, look for your profile icon. It's usually at the top right corner of the screen, and tap on it. This will take you to your account settings. Next, scroll down until you find the section labeled Favorites. Here you'll see the list of contacts that Cash App has marked as your favorites based on your recent transactions. Now, all you need to do is tap Remove next to the name of the person you no longer want on your favorites list. As soon as you tap Remove, they will instantly disappear from your favorites and they won't be highlighted in future transactions. You can repeat this process for any other contacts you want to remove. That's it. It's really that simple. Keeping your favorites list updated makes it easier to send money to the people you actually interact with and keeps your Cash App experience organized. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy Cash App tips. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.